In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make copies of Google Docs not directly shared with you. This is a quick, reliable way to get your own editable version of a file when you only have view access through a link. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want the copy saved. Also, this method only works if the document's sharing is set to anyone with the link can view. If the file is restricted, you won't be able to copy it, and you'll need to request access from the owner. Begin by opening the Google Docs link in your browser. Once the document loads, look up at the address bar. You'll see a URL that looks like this: https docs google.com /document/d file/id edit. The exact file or ID will be a long string of characters unique to that document. You don't need to touch that part. What matters is the very end of the link. Carefully select the part that says Edit at the end of the URL and replace it with /copy. Make sure you keep everything else exactly the same, including the slashes and the file ID in the middle. When you're done, your link should look like this: https://docs google.com /document d file/id copy. Press Enter to load the new address. You should now see a Google Docs prompt asking if you want to make a copy. Click the button that says Make a Copy. Google will immediately create a duplicate of the document and save it to your Google Drive. By default, the new file will usually be named Copy of, followed by the original title. This version is yours, so you can edit it freely without affecting the original document. Next, give your copy a clear, descriptive name so you can find it easily later. Click the title at the top of the document to rename it. To keep your drive organized, consider moving it into a specific folder. You can do this by clicking the folder icon next to the title and choosing a destination, or by moving it within Google Drive later. If you don't see the copy prompt and instead get a message like, "You need access," that means the link is restricted. In that case, the copy trick won't work. You'll need to contact the owner or use the Request Access button to ask for the right permissions. Also, if you have multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're signed into the one where you want the copy to be saved. That's it. With a simple URL change, you can quickly create an editable copy in your own drive, stay organized, and keep working without waiting for direct sharing.